So today we are going to make a volcano, a yellow one. But we're going to need Play-Doh, vinegar, white vinegar, and baking soda. So you just go in the baking soda, get some baking soda on there.
And always ask your parents first.
Yeah, always with parent supervision. And you need some more baking soda. I barely got any that time.
Scoop from the bottom. Scoop up. Get it closer to the plate. Yeah, not that little.
Okay, my dad's helping me a little because I can't get it. Okay.
The baking soda doesn't have a lot left in there.
Okay, so there we go. That's counted as 3 because we got a little extra.
And these are teaspoons that we're using.
And more teaspoons. So, now we need white vinegar. Slowly pour it in.
Oh man, volcano. Oh man. But this will ruin your Play-Doh.
Yes, it will ruin your Play-Doh. It gets stuck to a plate and you can't get it off.
No, we can get it off of there.
Well, you can get it off, but it's super hard to get off.
Alright, and that's how to make a homemade volcano.
Yeah?
Don't forget to smack that like button.
My dad.
Leave a comment.
Down below. Make sure that, what do you think of this volcano? It can be any Play-Doh you want.
Alright, let us know if you guys tried it, how it worked for you guys.
Yeah. If it worked, it was fine. Bye.